Question number 3. This question is of complex numbers. Part A. On an organ diagram, sketch the locus of the points representing complex number z satisfying z plus 3 minus 2 modulus is equal to 2. In this question, z is a general complex number. We have to sketch the locus of the point representing this equation z plus 3 minus 2 iota z plus 3 minus 2 iota modulus is equal to 2. So first of all we will write it in this form. We write this in this form. Z minus, we are taking a negative sign common, z minus 3 plus 2 iota. We can write it in this form. This form will give us the center of the circle and a radius of the circle. This is a general complex number. This is another complex number. The complex number within this bracket, this shows its coordinate shows the center of the circle, and this figure 2 shows the radius of the circle. This shows that center of the circle, center of the circle minus 3 2 minus 3 2 and radius of the circle is 2. Now we will sketch the this circle on the diagram. On an organ diagram we will sketch this circle with center minus 3 2 and radius is 2. Look at this figure, x-axis, y-axis. But in this chapter, x-axis is real axis, real z, and this y-axis is imaginary axis. So we write here imaginary z. So this is the center of the circle minus 3 2. Minus 3 2 is, first we numbering on the line 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. In the same way along positive x-axis 1 positive axis, imaginary axis, positive y-axis, that is called imaginary z, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Center is negative 3, 2, negative 3 this, and 2 is along y, along imaginary z. This is minus 2, this is minus 3. So center of the circle is this point. Now since the radius is 2, we open the compass to unit and will taking this point as center, we will draw a circle of radius 2. Radius 2, these are the points. We will join these 2 points, and joining these points we get a circle with center this minus 3 2 and radius is 2. Now part B of this question is find the least value of z modulus for points on the locus, giving your answer in the exact form. Now we have to find the least value of z modulus. Z modulus, locus of z is clearly this circle, and we have to find the least value of z. Z is a general complex number. So we make a construction on this diagram. First we join, we have to find the length of this line. We have to find the length of this line. This length of the line shows the least value of z modulus. So we further make a construction. We join this origin to the center of the circle. This is a construction. In this way we can find easily the length of this line, which is the least value of z modulus. And this angle is of 90 degree. This is 90-degree angle. Now we have a right angle triangle. This. We can mark the points. Let this center of the circle shows. This is the center of the circle. We represent it by C, center of the circle, and this point we represent this point by letter A. Let this point is point A. Now OAC, OAC is a right angle triangle. We have to find this length, or let this point is point B. We represent this point by letter B. Now we have a right angle triangle OAC. We can use Pythagoras theorem. Actually, we have first we will find this OC, that is the hypotenuse in this triangle. OA is base, AC is perpendicular. We can use here the Pythagoras theorem. OC square is equal to OA square plus AC square. Now putting the values, OC will become OC is equal to OA square. OA is 3 unit and AC is the radius, that is 2. So we are putting here the values. We get OC is equal to 3 square plus 2 square whole under root, that is 13 under root. This is OC. But this is OC, that is the hypotenuse of this triangle, but we need only OB. OB will be OC minus BC. Again BC is the radius of the circle, that is 2. So we put here 2, OC is under root 13. So we get OB is equal to 13 under root minus 2. This is the least value of BC. OB shows the least value of Z modulus. So we can write here least value of Z modulus is equal to 13 under root minus 2. This is the answer in exact form. We have to give the answer in exact form. Clearly this form is exact form of the answer. Least value of Z modulus.